First of all, go to File and choose Open. Select this dandruff image and click Open. Now press Ctrl J to copy the background layer. Then go to Filter, Noise and choose Dust and Scratches. Here enable the preview option. Increase the radius to 8 pixels, threshold to 32 levels and press OK. Here this filter damages some other parts of the image. So hold the Alt key and hit on the mask button. Take the brush with white as the foreground color. Paint all over the dandruff like this. Let's see the final result.